Hey guys, a little peek into the kitchen. We get pizza cravings all the time. So I'm at the grocery store today and I want pizza so bad. But as a type 2 diabetic, I gotta be careful with carbs. So here is one of the best breads to use. Mission Carb Balance for your crusts. Look at the ingredients, look at all the fiber. So this is gonna be 60 carb lunch just for the bread, but I could do that because the fiber makes it a net carbs of 5. So 2 of these bad boys. Classico pizza sauce, 1/4 of a cup, 1 serving on either. Then I sprinkled a little more, and then fat-free mozzarella cheese. Just go nuts with that. It's fat-free. And then, to top it off, turkey pepperoni. It's got 10 grams less fat per serving than regular pepperoni. Go nuts, 17 slices, 425. We're preheating, 425, 10 to 12 minutes. You're gonna love these bad boys. Enjoy.